In this video, I'll show you how to download OBS on your computer so that you can do video recording and live streaming. It's a completely free and open source software. Just search OBS, and I'll include a link in the description of the video as well. It's obsproject.com, and click on the downloads here. Then you'll select your operating system. Since I know many of my viewers are using Windows, you'll just select Windows if that's your case, and then click Download Installer. This pop-up will come up here. We just click Save File and go to OK. And then we wait for our download to finish. Since I'm actually on Linux, I'm going to do it a different way, but let me hop over to the Windows screencast and I'll show you installing this. Once it's done downloading, we'll just open this file and then we'll follow through the prompts and we'll just keep clicking next and leave everything default, and this will install OBS. Now OBS is installed on our computer and we can get to it by clicking in the bottom left-hand corner on the start icon and just typing in OBS. Let's hop back over to the Linux computer real quick and I'll show you for downloading for a Mac. You'll just do the same thing. You'll click on it, click Download Installer, and then Save File, and then you'll install it. I don't have a Mac computer to show you that, but you'll install it the same way you would any Mac software. And on Linux, this is the one that's a little bit different. We just need to type in a command. So we're going to do, it's actually 3 commands. We do this one first to install FFmpeg. I already have it installed, and you might also just open the terminal, right click and go paste, or you can do Control-Shift-V on your keyboard, type in your password, and then that will install. So mine says nothing had to be installed because it was already there. So, and then the next command we do is just to add this repository if we don't already have it. I'm using Linux Mint. I actually think it's already in there, but we'll right click and go paste, and this will just add this repository in case it's not there. Looks like it's not there, so we hit enter, and this will add the repository. So that's just showing us the source that we can download it from. It gives us the option to install it if we want to. So just wait a second until this process completes. And the last command that we need to enter is this sudo apt install OBS studio. So we'll copy this, paste it in the terminal, hit the return key, enter in our password again. So this is just reaching out and downloading all the files that we need to run OBS. Then it installs, and now it's finished. So we can run it by just typing in obs-studio from the command line. Oh, maybe not. It looks like OBS is the command. So we just type in OBS and it will launch. So here's OBS. We can also launch OBS once it's installed by just going to the bottom left-hand corner and typing in OBS, and we'll see it's listed under our installed programs. So go ahead and check out the next video. We'll start diving in, learning how to use OBS. It's a great, powerful program. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I look forward to catching you in the next video.